So last week we decided to take a little road trip to Muscle Shoals Sound Studio. It's actually in Sheffield, Alabama. If you don't know what it is, you probably didn't grow up in the 70s or 80s. Just about everybody who recorded there. Some of the songs that were recorded were Mustang Sally, Tell Mama Brown Sugar, Mick Jagger sang in the bathroom there, When a Man Loves a Woman, Hey Jude, Kodachrome, Wild Horses, Old Time Rock and Roll, Respect Yourself, Slow Train Coming. You could go on and on. It's a place that gives you goosebumps to be in there. We had an excellent guide who not only could show us the equipment and the history, but knew just about all those people and could tell us some personality quirks. So I've been wanting to try and get some drone footage of a tow going up and down the river. It's been so windy. I know I'm putting a good bit of drone footage in these videos, but it's allowing me to practice so that when we get down to a more populated area, I have a better feel for what I'm doing. So this was really the first one that I saw that the weather was reasonable. So I launched my drone off of the bow of the boat, and you can see I'm probably 150 feet above the thing. You notice how much mud it stirs up and how powerful those engines are. So at this point I can't really see the drone, and I decided it's about time to return to home, which is a great feature. Unfortunately, I did something and I lost or canceled the return to home feature. And I couldn't see the drone, so I knew I had to fly it back to the boat manually, which is really good training, but it's a little scary. So at this point, all I can see is what the drone camera sees. So I finally found it and I brought it in, and as it says, I obviously did want to land on top of that roof, so at this point I could just control it, and I took it out, spun it around and brought it back in.